Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the CoinTails game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the CoinTails game on your device, then go ahead and open it up and then wait for the game to load fully. Once the game is done loading, you will be asked to build your base immediately. After you build your base, you can type in your desired name within the CoinTails game. Make sure that you enter your name carefully because you will not be able to change this easily. Once you have completed the basic tutorial, then from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You will then find the link account button that you can tap on to proceed with signing up or logging in. Now, if you don't have an account, you can still click on the sign in button for your Facebook or Google account to sign up for the game. Just tap on whichever account you wish to use, and then you might be asked to log in to this account. Then you can simply click on the continue as button, and then this will proceed with sign up by linking your Facebook or your Google account with your CoinTails account, and your progress will now be saved within this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the CoinTails game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.